Hey everybody, Radowski here. So you want to make websites? Join the club. It's a really rewarding skill to learn. And today, we're going to be going over the essential software you need to go from complete N00B to coding superstar. Whether you're more into front-end design, making those pixels pop, or you're more back-end focused, wanting to build the brains behind those beautiful web apps, we've got you covered. We'll be diving deep into a bunch of different tools and technologies that'll give you a solid foundation in the world of web development. Now, I know this might seem a little overwhelming, especially if you're new to all this, but trust me, we're going to break it all down step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to becoming a web dev wizard. So grab your favorite energy drink, fire up your computer because things are about to get code-tastic. First up is Visual Studio Code, or VS Code for us cool kids. This free and powerful code editor is an absolute must-have. It's got everything you need to write clean code, from intelligent code completion, thanks IntelliSense, to powerful debugging tools. And if you're anything like me, you'll love the built-in Git integration for version control. Don't worry, we'll get to Git in a bit. VS Code is like the ultimate Swiss Army knife for web developers. It's got your back, no matter what you're building. Next, we've got Sublime Text, and oh boy is it fast. This lightweight editor is known for its speed and efficiency. It's like the Usain Bolt of code editors, blazing through tasks without breaking a sweat. And don't let its minimalist design fool you. Sublime Text is incredibly powerful, especially with its extensive library of plugins. You can customize this thing to your heart's content, making it the perfect coding companion for any project. Now, if you're all about that customization life, then Atom is your jam. Developed by the awesome folks at GitHub, Atom is built with flexibility in mind. It's like that friend who's always down for whatever, adapting to any situation. With Atom, you can tweak everything from the look and feel to the core functionality, creating a truly personalized coding experience. Plus, its deep integration with GitHub makes collaboration a breeze. Alright, let's talk about Git. This isn't an editor, but a version control system, and trust me, it's a game changer. Think of it as a time machine for your code. Git lets you track every change you make, so you can easily revert back to previous versions, experiment without fear, and collaborate with others seamlessly. Seriously, Git is a lifesaver. And where does all that Git magic happen? GitHub, of course. GitHub is like the Facebook for developers, a place to share your code with the world, collaborate on projects, and contribute to open source software. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, having a GitHub profile is crucial in today's dev world. It's like your online portfolio, showcasing your skills and connecting you with other developers. Now let's move on to the front end, the pretty part that users interact with. React, developed by Facebook, is a JavaScript library for building dynamic and interactive user interfaces. React's component-based architecture makes it super efficient and scalable, allowing you to build complex UIs with ease. Think of it like building with Legos, where each component is a reusable block of code. If React is a bit too much to handle, then Vue.js is here to save the day. Vue.js is all about simplicity and ease of use. It's like the friendly neighbor of JavaScript frameworks, always there to lend a helping hand. Don't let its approachable nature fool you though. Vue.js is powerful enough to handle complex applications while remaining incredibly beginner-friendly. Now, if you're building large-scale enterprise-level applications, then Angular is the way to go. Developed by Google, Angular is a full-fledged framework with everything you need to build robust and scalable web apps. It's got a steeper learning curve than React or Vue, but its comprehensive nature and powerful features make it the go-to choice for many large companies. Now let's head over to the server side, the behind-the-scenes magic that makes websites tick. Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript on the server. Yeah, you heard that right. JavaScript isn't just for browsers anymore. With Node.js, you can build everything from web servers to command line tools using your favorite scripting language. And if you're building APIs, which you probably will be, Express is your new best friend. Express is a minimalist web framework for Node.js, perfect for building RESTful APIs and handling server-side logic. It's like the trusty sidekick to Node.js, providing a simple and elegant way to structure your server-side code. Express makes building APIs a walk in the park. Now, every good web application needs a database to store all that precious data. SQL databases are the workhorse of the data storage world, and PostgreSQL is one of the most popular and powerful options out there. It's reliable, scalable, and has a ton of features that'll make your life easier. Learning SQL is essential for any aspiring web developer, and PostgreSQL is a fantastic place to start. Managing dependencies is a crucial part of web development, and that's where NPM comes in. NPM is the default package manager for Node.js, and it's like a giant library of reusable code packages. With NPM, you can easily install, update, and manage all the external libraries and modules your project depends on. It's like having a personal assistant for your code dependencies. Modern web development involves a lot of JavaScript, CSS, and other assets. Webpack is a module bundler that takes all those files and bundles them into a smaller, more efficient package. It's like a magical compression tool that optimizes your website's performance, making it load faster and run smoother. Webpack can seem daunting at first, but it's a valuable tool to have in your web dev arsenal. Last but not least, we have Docker. Docker is a platform that allows you to create and run applications in isolated containers. Think of containers like virtual machines, but lighter and more efficient. Docker makes it super easy to deploy and scale your applications across different environments, ensuring consistency and reducing those pesky "it works on my machine" issues. Okay, I know we've covered a lot, but I wanted to sneak in one more: Python. It's not strictly a web dev tool, but man, is it versatile. From automating tasks to building web apps with frameworks like Django and Flask, Python can do it all. Plus, it's known for being beginner-friendly and having a massive community. If you're looking for a language to expand your horizons, Python's a great choice. So there you have it, folks, the essential software you need to go from web dev newbie to coding ninja. Mastering these tools will give you the skills and confidence to build amazing websites and web applications. Now, I know it's a lot to take in, but the best way to learn is by doing. So pick a project, fire up your favorite code editor, and start building. The world of web development is your oyster, and these tools are your pearl diving kit. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech content. Until next time, keep on coding.